Morning, guys. Um, this is Brilliant tutorial. My name is Celestine. On today's video, I'll teach you guys on how to solve partial differentiation using Lagrange method. With this question, we have to do what? We have to find the stationary point of the function u equals x squared plus y squared subjected to the constraint x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution to solve this. Now, given that our u is equal to x squared plus y squared, now we have we have to find du over the x and that of du over dy as usual. So we have that du over the x is equal to what? Under u differentiate x squared is what is 2x, and also we have to find du over dy. Now it means under you differentiate y squared is what is 2y. So also after doing that, we have to do the same thing in the constraint. Okay. Now we have that where theta is a constraint. So we have that since it is subject to the constraint, that is theta. So it means that theta will be equal to what? X squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 2y plus 1. Okay. So therefore let's differentiate as usual. So we'll do the theta over what? Dx, which is equal to under theta differentiate x. Differentiate x squared is 2x. Differentiate 2x is what? Is 2. Okay. So after doing that, what's next? I have to find the theta over dy. So therefore, the theta over dy means under theta differentiate y squared is 2y. Differentiate minus 2y is what? Is minus 2. Okay. So what's next? Now the next thing becomes after doing that, we have to represent this u and theta in what? In the equation by using this Lagrange method, which will becomes du over the x plus, this is lambda, is always the constant, du over the x plus lambda theta over the x is equal to 0. I call this equation 1. And also we have du over dy plus lambda theta over dy, which is equal to 0. I call this equation 1 too. Okay. So therefore, what's next? Now, what was my du over the x? My du over the x was what? 2x. So that becomes 2x plus, you put your lambda. What is theta over the x? The theta over the x is what? Is 2x plus 2. So that becomes 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. I call this is the equation 1. So what next thing? What is du over dy? Du over dy is equal to 2y. That is this 2y plus your lambda. What is theta over dy? The theta over dy is equal to what? Is 2y minus 2. That is 2y minus 2. Okay. So it equals to 0. So what next thing? We continue. Now, so that becomes 2x plus that. So that becomes 2x plus lambda bracket 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Calling this equation 1. And the 2y plus lambda bracket 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Calling this equation 1 2. Okay. So what do you do? You have to do is solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So I'll say that from equation 1, I have to make lambda the separate formula. So from equation 1, I have that lambda bracket 2x plus 2 is equal to what? 2x crossover become minus 2x. Okay. So making lambda the subject formula, that becomes lambda is equal to what? Minus 2x over 2x plus 2. So I call this equation what? 3. Okay. So calling this equation 3. So I'll say that put equation 3 in equation what? Equation 2. So it means that becomes 2y plus what? My lambda is minus 2x over 2x plus 2. I put it, that becomes minus 2x plus minus 2 over 2x plus 2. Okay. Bracket, close brackets, multiply by 2y minus what? Minus 2, which is equals to 0. So that becomes 2y plus. Now if I expand this, I have minus 4sy plus 4s over 2s plus what? Over 2. Oh, sorry, if I expand this, I'll have what? Minus 4sy plus 4s over 2s plus 2, which is equal to what? 0. So that becomes 2y. As usual, you know that plus times minus 4sy is minus 4s, and then plus times 4s will give me plus 4x over what? 2s plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, what next I have to do? I have to find the LCM. So find the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 2s plus 2 is 2s plus 2. So this divided by this will give me 2s plus 2. So 2s plus 2 multiplied by this will give me. So that becomes 2y times 2s is 4sy. You put your plus. So that becomes what again? 2y times 2 give me plus 4y. So what next? I have 2s plus 2 divided by 2s plus 2 give me 1. So therefore 1 multiplied by everything here will give me what? 4s minus 4sy is equal to 0. So what next? I have to cross multiply. For to cross multiply this, that becomes everything here multiplied by 1 is same thing as 4xy plus 4y plus 4x minus 4xy, right? And 2s plus 2 multiplied by 0 is same thing as well, 0. Okay. So what next? If you do this by collecting like terms, we have that 4xy minus 4xy is gone. So therefore that remains 4y plus 4s. So that becomes 4y plus 4s equals to 0. Now, what next? I have to make y survey formula. So I have that 4y is equals to minus 4s. So thereby y is equals to minus 4s divided by coefficient of y. The coefficient of y is 4. So that becomes y is equals to what? Minus what? Minus s. If it's 4 divided by 4, it remains only what? Y. So therefore y is equals to what? Minus s. I call this equation what? 4. Now if I call this equation 4, I'll say that put equation 4 in the constraint. You know what the constraint is? That is, put equation 4 in the constraint equation, which is theta equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 2y plus 1. That's the constraint equation. Okay. Now this thing here is same thing as x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Okay, so therefore I have to put equation 4 in what? Equation what? In the constraint equation, which is this is a constraint equation. You know that this 0 can be equal to what? Theta. Okay, so don't be confused. So it's still the same thing. So what next? We'll proceed to, so we have that x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So by putting y equals minus s, as we say, the put equation 4 in the constraint, and in our equation 4 we have that, and in our equation 4 we have that y is equals minus s, right? So I put equation 4 in the constraint. So therefore, since substitute y to be minus s in this constraint equation, so that becomes x squared plus y, I have minus s all raised to power 2 plus 2s minus 2 bracket y is minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So so therefore that becomes, we have x squared. Now I have plus, so we have x squared, this minus x squared minus x raised to power 2 is x squared. So we have plus 2s minus 2 times minus s will give me plus 2s, then plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have that s squared plus s squared is 2s squared, right? 2s plus 2s will give me 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore I have to solve this using formula method, which say that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 1. So substitute everything in this equation. So we have the x. Now x is equal to what? B. We have minus b, that minus bracket b is 4. B is 4 plus or minus root of what? B squared is that 4 squared minus 4 times a is 2 times c is what? C is 1. So all over 2a is what? 2 times a, which is what? 2. Okay, so you have that becomes, open the bracket, that we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 2 times 1 give me what? Minus 8, right? Over 4, 2 times 2 is what? Is 4. So that becomes minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 8 will give me what? 8, right? So over 4, which is minus 4 plus or minus, you know that what is the square root of 8? You know, square root of 8 can be expressed in a short form to be 2 square root of 2. Hope you know. So this 2 square root of 2 is same thing as 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. Please, and this was how I got it. Now you first simply find the LCM of 8. LCM of 8 is 2, 4 here, 2 here, 2, 2 and 1. So the LCM of this is 2 times 2, right? Times 2. So mean that I want to find the square root. So the square root of this is, if you take two number outside, it becomes 1. So then square root of what? Of this last 2. If you do it, 2 squared is what? Is 4. 4 times 2 give me 8. So therefore, expressing this in a short form is same thing as 2 square root of 2 over what? Over this 4. Okay. So let's start solving now. To find x1, x1 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 square root of 2 over 4, which is equal to what? If you do this, minus 4 divided by 4 give me minus 1 plus 2 divided by 4 give me square root of 2 over what? Over 2. Okay, hope you know. So how do I get, or I have to find x2. Now x2 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 square root of 2 over 4. Hope you know. That is this now. So x2 will be equal, since we have used plus, now next one will be what? Minus. So x2 will be minus 4 minus 2 square root of 2 over 4. Okay, so x2 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 square root of 2 over 4. So you have the same thing. Minus 4 divided by 4 give me what? Minus 1. So 2 into 4 give me what? Minus square root of 2 over 2. Now remember that, so since we have gotten the values of x, right? So now let's find the values of y. Since y is equal to minus s from our equation, which is equation 4, since y was equal to minus s, so you have that y1 is equal to minus x1, which is equal to minus bracket. What's my x1? X1 is what? Minus 1 plus square root of 2 over 2. So x1 is what? Minus 1 plus square root of 2 over 2, which is equal to what? Minus times minus here is plus. minus it will give you minus. So therefore y1 is 1 minus square root of 2 over 2. Again, y2 is equal to minus x2, which is equal to minus bracket. X2 is what? Minus 1 minus square root of 2, right? So minus times minus will give me what? Is 1, positive 1. And minus times minus will give me 1 plus square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so therefore we have that x1 is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 2 over 2, and x2 is minus 1 minus square root of 2 over 2, and therefore y1 is also equal to 1 minus square root of 2 over 2, and y2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 2 over 2. This is very, very simple. Please guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.